So you can actually upgrade your pressure washer gun at a low price, like this Duracell brand, for example, that I got it for less than 40 Australian dollars, which is actually around 20 something US dollars. This pressure washer gun comes in this plain unmarked box. There is no labeling on the box. And once you open the box, you find the pressure washer gun, and basically there's nothing special about the packaging, which I guess reflect on the price of the pressure washer gun. The trigger is not too bad. I think it's on the stiff side, but I've been using it with no problem. Connecting the hose is also very straightforward. You just take the hose and then you connect it on this adapter which has been fitted on the pressure washer gun, and then it will click. So inside the box you are going to find different things. So there is the pressure washer gun, of course, and then there is tips which can be used for different things. So for example, to wash the car, to clean up your driveway and stuff like that. But for washing the car, you are only going to need one, which is the white one. You should actually probably throw the other ones away, because if you put that and you use them to wash your car, you can ruin your paint. So after you're done foaming up the car, you can disconnect the foam cannon, and then even after you're done washing your car, you can also disconnect the pressure washer gun, and disconnecting is actually very easy.